In this short video, I'm going to show you how to calculate standard deviation manually using the formula. This is what you're going to be expected to do at least once on your upcoming test. Let's start with this list of 6 values. The first step is to find the mean, which we'll label as x bar. We'll do that by adding all the values and then dividing by the number of values. Of course, you can use your calculator to help you with the computation. We have 6 values, so we're going to divide by 6. And if you use your calculator, you'll find that the mean is 133 for this data set. The next step to calculate standard deviation is to subtract this mean from each of your original data values. So I'm going to write all of my data values here in a column. And then we're going to subtract the mean from each one of those values. So you're getting the sense that we're looking at distance from the mean, distance from the center as determined by the mean. In the next column, we're simply going to square these differences. Notice that any negative differences will be taken care of by squaring. So all of these squares will either be 0 or positive. Next, we're going to add these squares. So if we were to add these values here, we would get a sum of 302. And now we're going to divide that sum by our sample size minus 1. So since we had 6 values, it's going to be divided by 6 minus 1. And then we're going to take the square root. So it'll be the square root of 302 divided by 5. S will be the square root of 60.4. And if we round to 2 decimal places, we'll get that our standard deviation is approximately 7.77.